Puppy. America. Alright. So this finally happened today. Or I should say today. It happened. We got the good old click, click, click. HVAC motor of death. Click, click, click is coming from behind here. It's mostly the blend door that's clicking. Alright, took apart the dash. Gotta replace the wires for my radio. Let's get this out of the way. As you can see, I already did the Butch Fix duct tape. Here's a little servo for the blend doors. See it? Down is cold, up is hot. If you're having issues with it, quick fix, especially in wintertime, lock it into the up position and duct tape around it. New one, old one. Alright, with the part replaced now, you're going to want to make sure it's working correctly. Don't mind the fuel pump. Make sure your fan is on. Turn it down to the lowest setting possible. And what you want to do is, this is a, what do you want to call this? An HVAC reset, if you will. You're going to press and hold for 10 seconds. Release and hold again until the light starts flashing, and I'll be quiet. Okay, hopefully you heard that, but every door that is in your HVAC, from your defrosts to your top vents to your lower vent to your recirculation, all reset itself. All their switches found their happy medium, found their happy voltage they like to be at. And now I don't have the door click of death anymore. Perfect. And like I said, this can be done for the 4th gen 2009 all the way up to 2000, I think 17, 16, whenever they decided to switch over and not have this style anymore. But yeah, that's the factory HVAC reset. You want to do that after you switch out your motor for new ones. Soon enough, I'll probably have to do the flap doors too, but that's how you do it. That's how you reset and change it out. Take care.